Hi, Shannon Thonise here. Welcome to my channel. I started this video with my brows done and my eyelids primed. To prime my lids, I use the Maybelline FitMe concealer and the setting powder. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette today, and I'm going to start off with this nude color. After I finish blending out this first shade, I'm going to take this darker shade and add it a little lower than the first shade to add some more depth. Next, I'm going to add this deep red shade to add more vibrance and depth to my eye look. After I have blended all those shades together, next I'm going to take this darker brown and I'm going to focus it in my crease where I'm going to put my cut crease. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 and I'm going to use it to cut my crease. When I'm applying my concealer for my cut crease, I like to pat the product on to make sure that it's all even. Next, I take my MAC pigment in the shade English Gilt and I apply it to my cut crease. I went ahead and did my eyeliner and applied my lashes off camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean up the bottom of my eyeliner with concealer and just blend it out. Now I'm going to take this No More Baggage Deep Puffing Gel and I'm going to apply it under my eyes. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the Milani Prime Shield Face Primer. I'm going to be using my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and apply it evenly around my face. Now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to highlight, and I'm just adding it to my high points. And next I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend out the concealer that I just applied. Next, I use my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder to set my face. Next, I take my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder and my Milani baked bronzer and mix them together to bronze and contour. Now I take the darkest shade that I use for my eyes and apply it underneath my lower lash line. Now I take my Wet n Wild white eyeliner and apply it to my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to be applying mascara using this It Superhero mascara to my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to highlight using my Wet n Wild MegaGlo Illuminating palette. I'm also going to be taking the highlight and applying it to the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to take this NYX liner and line my lips. For lipstick, I'm going to be using this Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Crucifix. To add an ombre effect to my lips, I'm going to take this Maybelline Bold Lipstick in the shade Mauve and apply it to the inner parts of my lips. And this completes my Smoky Cut Crease makeup tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and click that like button and comment down below to let me know what you thought. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.